Hey, we're at the beach. Say hi, we're at the beach. You like to be at the beach? Say, I brought my friend Ava to the beach. There's Dad. There's Ava and her mommy. Hi, Ava. It's Ava's first time at the beach. Ava, do you like the beach? Do you like it? You like the sand. Say, yes, ma'am. I love the beach. She ready to go back to the water. She dropped her bag of chips. And now look at this. We all got a duck and hide. We're going back out to the water. Woo! The water. Hey, there go the BFFs. Headed to the water. Water they got cold. Oh. Y'all have fun with that. You go sit down? Ava, is it cold?
No.
Did it get colder?
No.
She said no. Jump, Christopher, jump! Jump, Ava, jump! It's a jumping contest, go! Go, Ava! Get it, get it! Oh no! Oh no! Get the ball! Get the ball! Get it! Get it! There you go! Alright guys, so we just got home from the beach and Christopher is knocked out. He's sleeping so good with his mouth open. So we're about to, we just turned the heat on so we can get in the shower. My little ponytail, it ain't stand a chance today. And I knew it, but it was fine. I was about to take this out anyway because it's time to get some braids. It's summertime, it's springtime, but hot. So about to get some braids going. I'm gonna wake up the little sleeping giant. Take them in there, get them all washed up. It's we just got in. It's 7:06 right now. Christopher's bedtime is at 8 o'clock, so we're gonna go ahead, take him in, wash him up, get him fed some dinner, and then hopefully he can go back to sleep. He's only been asleep for about like 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes home. So yeah, my little baby kid. Mommy loves you so much. Christopher. So yeah, we'll probably see you guys tomorrow. The beach was like very windy and stuff, so I'm probably just gonna continue this vlog. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. All right, hi guys. So today, I don't know why I keep feeling like I gotta do that with this ponytail. Today is Sunday, and as you know, yesterday we went to the beach. Today we got up, kind of slept in a little bit, and then we went to second service this morning for church. So we went to church, and then we spent some family time, going to do some stuff after church, and now we're back home. And
Mommy, where's that sticker?
where's your sticker? It's in your hand. Come here. So yeah, now that we're back home, we are just about to prepare for the week. Christopher,
Like that.
yeah, your sticker.
My sticker.
It's a sticker from Children's Church that he keeps wanting to put on, even though he's changed clothes after church. Anyways, so you want to come say hi?
Hi.
Come say hi.
Hi. What is it?
So yes, we I don't know what I was saying, but we're back home now. We're about to prepare for the week really quickly. We have some dinner that we can heat up, but I might also cook again. I just don't know if I'm gonna feel like cooking necessarily. Anyways, So yes, that's what is going on now. We have some clothes that need to be hung up. Of course, there's always dishes in the sink, so I'm unloading the dishwasher now. Yes? You want a snack? Are you gonna eat your food?
Yes.
We have food for you. Come eat.
I want to eat it.
You don't want to eat it? Why? Okay. So yeah, we're going to hang up those clothes. Unload the dishwasher is what I'm doing now. I can't even finish a sentence because I don't know what's going on right now. But unloading the dishwasher, gonna load it back up, and then hang clothes, and then we should be good. Hi guys. So a lot has happened. We did in fact get all of our cleaning done. All the dishes are washed. The dishwasher is done. Abby came over. My dad came over. My mom and Gary came over. It was a lot going on. Everybody was like spinning on a rotation because everybody was waiting on us to get home this afternoon so they could either pick stuff up or drop stuff off to us. And so yeah, we took Christopher and Abby outside for a little while. Not very long at all because it's getting kind of cool. And then yeah, since the kitchen was extremely clean, I was like, I'm not with messing it up tonight. So we ordered Chinese food, which we just ate. It's a little aftermath over there. And Christopher is now getting in the bathtub. So this is very late for us because Christopher should have been in the bed by now. But Wylie said there's groceries still on the way from Walmart to be delivered. So yeah, I don't know what time I'm going to bed tonight. Hopefully the Walmart people will be here soon. Delivery was from 8 to 9. It is now 8:45. Christopher's bedtime is at 8 o'clock. So that's how behind we are tonight, which I know is like 45 minutes really is not a big deal, but it is a big deal. When we had all last week off from school for him. So we got stuff prepped for we got to go back to packing lunches this week. All of the getting ready. We ironed all of his uniforms. We put away all of our clothes that needed to be put away. And so yes, I'm happy with the progress that we made this evening, but sorry we didn't get to bring you guys along with a lot of that. So I'm just bringing you up to speed. So today we are going to get Christopher a haircut. We're about to go pick him up from school now. Me and Wylie are both off. So y'all are coming along with this. We got to make a little stop first before we got to go drop some stuff off to Goodwill. We're either going to do that before or after we get Christopher. But the good thing about it is the time has changed, so he'll be able to go outside after he gets his haircut, hopefully. So we will see you guys when we get Christopher. So we have retrieved the little one. Did you have a good day?
Yes, I did that.
You had a good day. That's awesome. We are headed to his barbershop. And
Mommy, what trees?
huh?
All trees.
Yeah, all the trees. You see all those trees?
Trees.
Yeah, all those trees. So we're gonna get Christopher's haircut. I see all those trees.
It's a
A circle? Where do you see a circle?
No. Clouds.
In the clouds? Oh, okay, it's a circle in the clouds. That's cool. Oh, Christopher, it's a choo-choo train up here. So, you see the train? Look at the choo-choo train. You love trains. Look over there. Look, it's a train. Wow. Do you see that train? Look at you smiling so big. So yeah, we're headed to his barbershop. We're gonna get his haircut. Then we're gonna head home. The train was going somewhere. I don't know. And then yeah, maybe we'll get some outside time tonight. Hopefully, we should. Help you what?
I taste this heavy. Taste up.
You got yogurt all over your face and chips.
My daughter. My daughter.
Why are you trying to climb up here?
Help me.
Help you what?
Help me, Daddy. Help me, Mommy. Put down.
Put what
Hey.
down?
Put down. Hey. No, don't eat these chips. Hey. Take that back.
But I'm hungry.
Hey, take that back. Hey.
You don't even want these chips. That's why you got yogurt on your face.
Oh my.
You vibing?
Son, it shouldn't be happening. Look at your shirt. You should wipe your hands off. You got stuff on your shirt, on my dress. Here, let me show you. Wipe your hands like this. See, mommy has stuff on her hands. You gotta wipe your hands off.
Oh, the hand up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the hands. Hey, Daddy, that dark eyes. Dark,
What about my eyes?
dark eyes. You, Dad.
Why is ill that? Ain't nothing on my eyes, bruh.
You, Dad.
You don't like my glasses?
Watch the glasses.
Can I wipe your face?
No, I want it.
Well, I'm gonna wipe your face anyway, because you got yogurt all over your face.
I know, Mommy.
You know? You know you got yogurt on your face?
I want it. Hey, I
Can you wipe
want-
your face?
No,
Wipe your mouth.
on my mouth. Nose.
Say excuse me, man.
Oh, something. Oh,
Here, let me help you.
hey, no.
Look at your mouth. Yeah, it's clean now. You see your face?
A face.
You got stuff up your nose.
No.
It's a lot going on, Christopher.
Another fingers.
You done with the napkin? Yikes.
Here. Here we go.
Thank
Daddy.
you. Your hands still not clean, but you finna go wash them. So
Mommy. No. We did. I want it.
but your nose. Where are you going?
I'm scared.
You scared? Cause you shouldn't be up there.
Four.
Boy. Don't do that again. Let's go. Let's go inside. See if you can be helped early.
What you doing?
It's cold.
It ain't
Not
cold.
cold.
Stop capping.
Cold.
You cold. This man is a character. You cold? Christopher, it's 75 degrees outside. Talk about you cold.
Hey, this way.
It's time to go inside.
You ready?
I'm on it.
Oh, y'all. Welcome to the shenanigans. Did you put it in your pocket?
Nice.
Okay. So you make sure you get that to Mr. Tires, huh? All right, go ahead. Give him a chance.
Looks good.
Give thumbs up. Thumbs up.
I know she got a picture.
Alright, y'all, so this is my phone footage because the camera made some little chicken sandwiches for everybody. And we're just sitting in the backyard for a little while. Gonna go ahead and eat a little snack and then go in and make our actual dinner. So this looks so good. I'm so excited for it. Christopher, come back. Dad's going to wash his hands. Come finish eating.
Okay.
Hi guys. So me and my BFF, we just met up for a lunch date. I have been wanting some not chicken Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo, and things just kept getting in the way of getting it. So we made a lunch date so we could get, so I could get my little fill. I'm headed back home now. The ponytail is about to retire for good, so that's why I got this hat on, because the front is just not doing nothing. But yeah, I'm about to head home so we can take Christopher outside for a little while. I wore some heels just because I needed to make sure that I went home after this and not started shopping around, because Christopher is going to be able to wear he can wear regular clothes to school over the summer, and he doesn't have to wear a uniform. So I'm excited about that, but I need to go home this evening so I can see my baby and we can take him outside. This camera is gonna die, so I'm about to call it quits.